In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed or add a music player into your website through GoDaddy. Firstly, you need to start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are in, you'll see a list of all your websites. Look for the specific website where you want to add the music player. Next to that website, there will be a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on it. This action is meant to lead you through to that particular site's management dashboards or control panels. Once you are on the dashboard, the next step is to edit the website. For this, GoDaddy provides you with a great tool known as the Website Builder. Look for the button labeled Edit Website and click on it. Upon doing this, Website Builder opens. As simple as that, you now have access to all the behind-the-scenes of your website. With the Website Builder ready, you now need to navigate your way to the specific location on your web page where you wish the music player to be. Once you are there, look for an option that lets you Add Section. This gives you the flexibility of adding new components to your web page, including the desired music player. Go on and click on this button. Having done that, a new menu pops up with various addition options for your site. Navigate to the Audio and Video category. Here, you have the choice of adding audio or video components to your site. Since our aim is to add a music player, choose the Audio option, then proceed to choose a layout from the selection available. Now that you have a layout prepared for your music player, a pop-up panel shows up. One of the fields within this panel is labeled Embed Code. In this field, paste the resources or code from your music player. Every music player comes with its unique code, so make sure you get the correct one related to your player. Just pasting the code will not be enough. You might want to personalize the music player to fit your tastes and preferences. You can tweak the look and feel of your player with the settings provided. There are a variety of settings available such as title, color, among others. Adjust these to suit your needs, and when you are satisfied, click the Done button. With that, you've successfully added a music player to your GoDaddy webpage. The best part about GoDaddy's Website Builder is that all the changes you have made are saved automatically, meaning you don't have to worry about losing your progress. Congratulations on mastering the process of embedding a music player on your website.